Hey there, today I have a Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service and I've been doing Stitchfix for quite a while now, and actually I think this is my 31st fix. So yeah, quite a few. But anyway, for this fix, I requested dresses, I think, from my stylist. In my note, I just asked for dresses, and because I love dresses, especially for work, and I asked for Stitchfix most popular or highly requested or pinned dresses. So I'm excited to see what she sent me, and if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, I'll put some information in the description box below about how the service works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out, and I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of earlier Stitchfix videos. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what the box looks like inside. And oh, it does feel kind of heavy because it's packed with 5 dresses. Okay, you get a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back, and a packet of information. Let's take a look at my bundle. Okay, how does that look? I think it looks good. I'm excited, really excited this time. Okay, so with Stitchfix, you always get some style cards and a note from your stylist. And phew, my stylist is Holly again, and I've had Holly for I think 29 now of my 31 fixes. So I've been really fortunate to be paired with the same stylist and found one that I really like and gets my style, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the note, and I'll scan it and put it up above so you can read it too in case you want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and read it now. Okay, so this is a very exciting fix, I think. So I'm getting 5 dresses, and they're all very popular styles from Stitchfix. So, and I think most of them are Stitchfix exclusives, but we'll see. Yeah, I do love dresses, and we'll see. One thing, you know, when you look at these style cards, it does give me a lot of ideas, but it also makes me think, I don't have a jacket like that. Maybe I need one. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at these dresses. Okay, so the first dress in my box is this one. And it's by KAILEIGH, and it's a knit dress, and it's a really pretty black with yellow flowers and white flowers too. Okay, and this is the, what is this? Holt brush knit dress, size medium, and it's $54. Okay, so $54 for this dress. I think this is really pretty. Just seems like a very easy to wear dress. It does have a fit and flare look, you know, with a defined waist. Okay. Okay, next. Oh wow, this is nice. It's by WISP, and this is the Leeah lace knit dress in size 6 petite. So you see, it's a very pretty lace knit dress. I have a green dress that's kind of similar though, but this one is $68. But yeah, this is very pretty. I think this would be something I could wear maybe for a nice dinner or more formal occasion. Okay, and next I have this red dress. Ooh, that's very pretty. See that? And this is by Collective Concepts, and this is the Amaris Ruffle detail dress, size medium, and this one is $74. Okay, so this is a little more pricey, but it is beautiful. It's a polyester and it's fully lined. Okay, I love red. I love that. Okay, and next, okay, I have this, this very pretty yellow dress, and look at this, it has a border. Wow, this is nice. Did you see the front here? This is by Market and Spruce, size medium petite, and it's the Auria embroidered dress and it's also $74. So this is also on the pricey side, but it is very pretty. The material though, it feels like it might be a rayon, and it is fully lined. Yeah, it's a 100% rayon shell, and the lining is polyester spandex. Oh, sorry, this is a dry clean only dress. It's gorgeous, but it's a dry clean only dress. Shucks. Okay, we'll see how it looks though. Okay, and lastly, oh, this is really pretty. It's this purpley dress. Look at that print. It's gorgeous. And this is by KAILEIGH. It's the Amandine knit dress, size medium. Okay, so I've had dresses with this kind of very concerning neckline before, but actually when you put them on, they look okay. And you can always wear it with like a camisole under. But this one it's only $48. So this is actually the most affordable option in this fix. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitchfix box this month. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first dress from KAILEIGH. And yeah, I think this is a very pretty dress. It says it's a brushed knit material. So yeah, it feels very soft. It's a pretty floral print. I really do like dresses that have a black background and floral. I think it's more striking. But yeah, I think this is cute. It's very nice. And according to Style Card, she has it with a denim jacket. And it looked like some light, she had yellow slides, but I just have these kind of a light beige shoes. Okay, so here it is styled according to the Style Card with a dark wash denim jacket, and this is cut from the cloth. This is the one that I always use. Sorry, but yeah, I love it. And yeah, and some light tan slides, and these are from Clark's. So yeah, cute. And I just have kind of a fun necklace I got I think I got this from J. Crew. Okay, so that's the first dress, and I think it's cute. Okay, so here is the second dress. This is from Market and Spruce. And this is the dry clean only dress. It's so pretty though. Yeah, I do like it. I think the waist might be a little bit high. It's actually falling like, this is my belly button right here, so it's really high. But it is cute. It's just got so many nice details, like the embroidery here and the border. Plus it is fully lined. The only thing it is, yeah, dry clean only. So if you don't mind that, this is a really great dress. And I'll put everything in my Pinterest board that I get, and I'll put a link down below, so in case you want to pin anything, it's there. But yeah, this is so cute. And in the Style Card, she had it with like a medium wash denim jacket. Let's see how that looks. Okay, and here it is with a medium wash denim jacket, although I think it would also look nice with a dark wash denim jacket, or even a white denim jacket. That'd be cute. So yeah, this is a very nice dress. I really like it, but I don't know. Okay, and here is the WISP dress. And this is actually a gorgeous dress. It's very pretty. I mean, it's a navy color, and it's lace, fully lined. And yeah, so it looks great with, I would say, a statement necklace, and pretty much sleeveless. Yeah, I think it's a very flattering dress. Very pretty for a special occasion. I do have something coming up in a couple weeks. I could wear this. It's a little on the snug side, but not terrible. So yeah, I don't know, this is very cute, so we'll see. Okay, so here's the second KAILEIGH dress. And I really love this. I think this is a home run. It's kind of like very flattering style, I think. So I did put something like a tank top underneath, but I probably didn't need to, because I guess just the way it fits when you put it on, it just goes. So yeah, I like this. I don't know. So, and it's a very easy to wear knit material. The print is pretty. I like the color. It's different. And yeah, I think this is very cute. So I styled it according to the style card with some tan flats, and she had it with a ivory blazer. So let's see how that looks. And I can also picture this with a denim jacket easily. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so here it is, styled according to the style card with the blazer. But yeah, I think this is a definite keeper. And this dress I think was the most affordable. It was $48. So yeah, I like it. Okay, and here's the last dress, and this is by Collective Concepts. And this one was also kind of expensive. It was $74, but it is very pretty. And I think it's just kind of a very pretty print and color. It's fully lined. It has a V-neck, which I think is actually a flattering cut for me. And it has an elasticized waist. And I think this one, the waist is still kind of a little high, but I don't know. I kind of like this dress actually. It is very pretty and kind of different. Okay, so this one, let's see. It is just kind of basic. The only thing it has that's different is this kind of ruffle here. But other than that, it's just a very basic style dress, easy to wear. I think it's machine washable, I'm pretty sure. And according to the style card, she had it with a mustard cardigan looking thing. So the only thing that I had that kind of had a similar feel was this moto jacket. You're gonna say, that's not similar. It is. Oh, and I still haven't worn this. I got it from Nordstrom, and it's from Blank NYC. Yeah, and I think actually that kind of works. This moto jacket, I bought it, I loved it, but I just haven't gotten a chance to wear it. One thing about this jacket, it's very, you can see like the sleeve underneath, so I have to wear something sleeveless, I think. And I just haven't worn it. But I like this. I think this actually looks okay. It kind of gives it a look. Maybe. But anyway, yeah, I kind of like this dress. Might have to buy it. Okay, so it's really humid today, but we got through the try-on. I think overall the dresses looked really nice. I think Alexis did a wonderful job of selecting very pretty dresses that were also kind of different from each other. And like I requested, she sent some of the Stitch Fix's most popular dresses. So anyway, let's start with going over the invoice. So yeah, so this is fix number 31 for me, and the total for all 5 dresses, and they ranged in price between $48 at the low and $74 at the high. The total was $318. And if I were to buy all 5 and get the 25% off, that would be $79.50 off. So that's basically the price of one of the higher dresses. And the order subtotal would be $238.50. And I also have some credit, and that's thanks to you guys. Some of you signed up using my referral link. So anytime one of you sign up using my referral link or anyone else's referral link, you get a $25 credit, and I also get a $25 credit. So I have to thank you for signing up. But I have a $70.68 credit, and I think I had some carryover. So my order total would be $167.82. So that is actually an excellent price for these 5 very pretty dresses. But to be honest, I don't think I'm going to be keeping all 5, unfortunately, although it's very tempting to try to get the 25% off, because it's basically like getting one dress free. But yeah, I don't think for me, since I have so much clothes, since I've been doing YouTube for 2 years, you know, these unboxing channels. So as you can imagine, I do have a lot of clothes already. So as it is now, I'm very, very selective in what I decide to keep. But so yeah, well, let's see. So it is a tough decision. So I'll probably be keeping just 1 or 2. But anyway, let's quickly go over everything. So this first dress, I thought was so pretty, but I don't know for me if it was special enough, because I do have, you know, so many dresses, and I kind of think I do have something similar to this, or some that are similar to this, but we'll see. I thought it looked really good with the denim jacket, especially the dark wash, so we'll see. And and it's knit, which I love. This dress, oh, this is a gorgeous dress. I love this brand, Market and Spruce, and I think this was a Stitch Fix exclusive, and I have seen this on Pinterest. I think it's gorgeous with all the details, but I just wasn't so sure about the fit, you know, because it is a medium petite, which is normally my size, but it just seemed like it was a little small. So I don't know if it would have been better for me to go with like a medium regular in this particular style, just because it was so high-waisted. But I thought this was gorgeous. And then also the another downside about this dress was it was dry clean only. So I don't know when the last time I've taken something to the dry cleaners. It's been a while. I tend to shy away from dry clean only clothes, but this was gorgeous. Next was this WISP dress. This is very, very pretty. I mean, I thought it's a very nice evening dress, you know, with this dark navy color. And I think it was also a very flattering cut. So I'm tempted because I do have a dinner coming up. But on the other hand, I do have another WISP dress that is kind of like this kind of lace dress that I got from Stitchfix, I think last year. And that was a very pretty teal color. So I might just end up wearing that one, because honestly I haven't worn that too many times. I think I've only worn it like once or twice. So yeah. Next was this dress also from KAILEIGH. I think I got like 2 KAILEIGH dresses. Yeah. Okay, I actually really, really like this dress. This particular style of dress, you know, it looks scary, but when you put it on, it looks really nice, I think. And I have another dress from KAILEIGH that's this style, that's a kind of a mustard, that I really love. So I think this will be a nice addition to my Stitch Fix dress collection. And this one was only $48, and I thought this was a good buy, so I'm gonna keep this one. And I'm kind of on the fence about this one. I'm kind of leaning on keeping it. I love red, and I thought this was really cute, and I thought it looked nice with that blank NYC moto jacket that I haven't worn yet. And I think it'll also look nice with, of course, denim jacket, white denim, you know. So we'll see. Okay, so that's all I have for today's Stitch Fix video, and now I'm gonna call one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. Who will it be? Come on, who's it gonna be? Huh. Okay, I'm gonna take you, Sammy. Okay, I'm gonna get some treats, and I think then Sammy will come to life. Okay, hold on. Okay, one thing the trainer from when we took Sammy to puppy training when she was a puppy, she noticed that this dog is very food motivated. So you'll see how she is a different dog when you hold a treat. Yes, yes she is. Okay, so, oh, even Kaya is getting up. Okay. So I have 2 friends to help me say goodbye, thanks to these treats in my hand. These smell really good. I wonder what they are. Okay. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to get notifications. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.